Good today, my topic is big pictures, persona in UA design. So we are concentrating on UI and UX design. So user interface and user experience design. So in this UI UX design, the big pictures refers to the overall vision and goal of the project. It's all about the understanding the purpose and context of the design and ensuring that every detail contributes to achieve the purpose in meaningful way for the users. So it encompasses the entire user experience and interface, including how the user interacts with the product or service from start to finish. It involves considering factors like user needs, business objectives, brandings, aesthetics, and usability and functionality to create a cohesive and effective design solutions. It involves the considering factors like user needs, business objectives, brandings, aesthetics, usability, and functionality to create cohesive and effective design solutions. So, first was uses of big pictures. So what is the driving innovations, maintaining consistency, guiding design decisions and system interactions. So what is meant by driving the innovations? So it is nothing but we are by focusing on the big pictures. So we can identify the designers can identify the opportunities for innovations and improvements. And the maintaining consistency is nothing but we across the different parts of the user experience and the interfaces. It will ensure the guiding design decisions. It provides a roadmap for the designers, helping them to make the informed decisions throughout the decision process. So system interactions, recognizing the how the various components within the system interact with each other to fulfill the user needs and goals. So persona in UX. So the persona refers to the fictional characters created to represent the group of users who exhibit similar behaviors, goals, needs, and characteristics. So the designers use the personas to understand their target audience to better and design products or services that meets the needs of a specific user group effectively. So in UX, the personas are the most important tool for the understanding the empathizing with your target audience. The personas compromises the mixture of text and icons, the graphics, and you can also give them a face. Although the personas are fictional, they are based on the facts and data about the real users. So, UX persona includes names and images. Example, the illustrations, avatar, photos, or stock images. So, the demographic information such as your person's age, gender, family, life situations, employment status, and anything else that relevant to a product or a problem, space, their needs and goals in their relations to a product. So, example, the name is Sarah Miller, age is 32, the occupation is marketing manager, the location is urban area, Seattle, WA. Background is Sarah is a manager, marketing manager. The type of personas, the user personas, buyer personas, primary and secondary personas, proto personas, qualitative personas, and statistical persona. So the user persona is nothing but we have it represent the primary uses of the product or services. So negative persona is nothing but which are not part of the target audience. It identifies the negative personas, helps in refining the target audience and avoiding the design decisions that might cater to the wrong audience. The primary and secondary personas. The primary personas are the main focus for the design process. They are representing the core user group. The secondary personas represents the additional user segments that may be interact with the product, but they are not the primary focus. The proto persona. The proto personas are based on the assumptions and existing knowledge about the users, often created at the early stage of the project when detailed user research data may not be available. So buyers personas. So buyer personas focus on the individuals or entities involved in the purchasing decisions making process. They can help the understand the motivations, needs, and concerns of those who influence or making purchase the decisions related to the product or services. So quantitative personas. The quantitative personas can be particularly useful for large scale digital products or services with extensive user bases. The statistical personas. The statistical persona in UX design is a representative of a user group based on the statistical and data analysis. Um, so, so here this is the big pictures uh, which was in the taken from the internet. So here, why they are used for? So how can you better understand this one? See this. What is UX persona? It is a fictional characters which represents certain traits and qualities of real users. In personas are important tools of understanding empathy with the target audience. Here, the personas are usually captured in the document or presentation deck, providing an easily digestible visualization of your target personas. So here, see, it includes the person's name, image, the demographic information, their needs and goals in relation to your product, and summary of their challenges, quotes from the real users whom the persona should represent. So, what are the personas used in the UX? So, it captures users' research in digestive visual format. So, these are the main build user empathies and make sure that design process prioritize the target audience needs. Steer, inform, and justify the design decisions. Enable the use others to understand who are the designs. So, what are the different types of personas in UX? So, photo personas, then qualitative personas, and statistical or mixed personas. These are all being discussed in this. So, this one is example. See this. See this one. So this is the we created this age, occupations, and locations, San Francisco. So when we are used, what are the UX personas and why they are used for? So this is the persona trailer, and we have a goal, and we have age. So these are the example, simple example for this one. So this is another example. See this. This one is another example. So we have to create like this. The third example is this one. See this one, if you click this one, the goals and needs will come. So how to create UX personas to better understand your target audience. First thing is we have the main steps. One is choose your approach, then conduct your user research, and another one is synthesize your research and bring your UX personas to life and share and utilize your UX personas. So these are the main thing we have to communicate with this one. Thank you.